Hello, and welcome to the Batiquitos Lagoon in Windrose Circle. The length of the trail is 0.7 miles, and the history of the lagoon is that based on scientific observation, it is believed that San Diego's coastal lagoons formed after the Ice Age, some 18,000 years ago. Evidence of the prehistoric settlement of the lagoon dates back approximately 8,000 years ago in the form of artifacts left by former native populations. Such evidence suggests the former existence of a thriving marine environment. It was not until the latter part of the 19th century that the area surrounding the lagoon became vital to California's maturation. In the 1870s, the area was open to homesteading, creating an influential trade and the need for transportation. The California Southern Railroad line connected a bridge to span the lagoon in 1881. 31 years later, a second bridge was erected for vehicular traffic along the Pacific Coast Highway. Finally, in 1965, a third bridge was built for the U.S. Interstate 5. These three bridges significantly decreased the tidal flow in and out of the lagoon, devastating its natural habitat. However, when the Batiquitos Lagoon was annexed by the city of Carlsbad in 1984, an enhancement project was explored as a way to restore the lagoon's natural habitat. 3 years later, the Batiquitos Lagoon Enhancement Project was initiated to migrate a project constructed by the Port of Los Angeles and San Pedro Harbor. The enhancement project planned to restore the lagoon to its natural state and reopen a tidal inlet from the Pacific Ocean. The enhancement project was completed in 1997, and studies continue through 2007 to determine the enhancement project's success. The plant and animal life in Batiquitos Lagoon. The Batiquitos Lagoon environment contains various plant and animal species which have been increasing in numbers since the completion of the Batiquitos Lagoon Enhancement Project. Being one of the few tidally flushed coastal lagoons remaining in California, Batiquitos Lagoon provides a unique habitat for plants and animals alike. One species which thrives in the lagoon is the least tern, a species of bird which has become endangered. Least terns nest in open, sandy, non-vegetated areas which have been scarce due to increased human settlement. The Batiquitos Lagoon Enhancement Project created 5 nesting areas which are closed off to protect the least terns due to their small size and peculiar nesting areas. Least tern nests in colonies in order to starve out potential predators. The least tern breeds here in the summers and winters of further south. Now, for you to enjoy the rest of the video. Hello, and welcome to the Batiquitos Lagoon in Windrose Circle. The length of the